Now let's scramble this. What? Broken it. What? The center is transparent. Interesting. Oh, look at this. I didn't know the cube is so strange. It has a marker. Look at this. Now it's time to assemble. And if it has a, I'm going to assemble randomly. It may result in impossible cases. But don't worry. Maybe I have to open the center caps and screw the screwdriver in it. So let's do a song with the cross. Yeah. Make F2L or first two layers. I'm not going to teach you how to solve it because it's going to be a lot of time. And there you go. The cube broke, and this is an impossible case of flip edge right here. So we have to switch it because it's unsolvable right here. Wait, this must be twisted. What? What? I'm telling you guys, this is not a joke video. No. Let's see. Let's put this edge, please. So far, this video has been a total disaster. But it's quite weird that these are transparent like this. Now let's just solve this thing. Let's just assemble and solve this thing. Because this is too hard. Because it like this is like don't have any hole, but why does this have a hole? And let's check the other. Whoa, those. What is this stretch? What is this? Now, let's scramble this carefully and solve this again. A little bit of carefully. Now. Let's see. Make a cross. make the cross. No, I made a mistake. I put it in the wrong slot. This is the screen mover. What? 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 I got three free pairs. Oh well. Why is this cube always popping? After 100 hours, no, a few seconds, okay? ELF. You come. What is this? And I finally solved it. Let's try the super flip. Because the color of this key kind of shows up. Whoa, look at this. Like the corners in the right place, like red, green, and yellow, and all the same for all of these. But just the edges is flipped like this. All of the edges. See, it looks amazing, but like you say, but it doesn't look very nice. But if we move on to bigger cubes, it's going to look amazing. And I'm undoing it. Okay, let me undo it. Okay, that's alright for this video. And enough popping for the day. Bye bye. If you like this video, like it and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.